What a loser.
Oh my god, look at her head.
You should go bully her.
Yeah.
Why do you wear that wig?
Oh, I have alopecia. I have alopecia.
Like,
Come on, let's
what's wrong
go.
with you?
Walk away.
You okay?
Those bullies were bullying me.
Those ones.
I'm so sorry about them. They bully me too.
They bully you?
Yeah.
What can we do?
I think that we should tell a teacher.
You're gonna be a snitch? Don't do it.
Teacher? Don't tell the teacher.
Hey, you, come with me.
Okay. And you too.
What? You're coming with us. What? Hey, here are your glasses, by the way.
Thank you. Ugh. You?
It's you. It's me, your concerned friend. We need to put an end to this bullying. But how? You guys need to stand up for yourselves. Let me show you how.
If you're being bullied, don't let it happen. Tell a teacher or a friend.
Bullying is never deserved. You need to understand that you are worthy and loved. Take that, bullies.
Don't be a bystander, be an upstander.
And remember, bullies don't cancel out bullies. Make sure to always be nice and kill them with kindness.
About 20% of students aged 12 to 18 have experienced bullying nationwide.
And remember, you're not alone. Make sure you always have someone to talk to, whether that be a school counselor, a teacher, or a friend.